Come sit right here. Mommy, you want to help her read it when it comes
Open
home?
the box.
Okay.
Okay, what's in the box? Take it out. That's silly. Okay, it says, bring this treat along your way to the tree where we will play. What tree do you think it could be talking about? Do we have any trees in our house?
I have a Christmas tree.
Oh, let's go check it out.
Don't forget the treat. Come over here.
Did you bring the treat?
You gotta come this way. Go to the tree. Where's the box?
Right there.
Okay, open the box.
I think it's going to be that tree. It's
Alright.
going to be time.
Okay, it says, toys are fun, but you know the rules. Bring it upstairs to something that drools.
Barbara.
Okay, let's go upstairs.
Go over to the stairs.
Brooke does drool, huh? Okay, come on, Brooke.
How'd you grab it?
Huh? Come on, dog friend.
Open the door.
I broke it by accident. Huh? A puppy!
What is it, Ella?
A puppy!
Is it your puppy?
Yeah.
Can you believe it?
I finally got a puppy! Thank you!
She's excited to see you.